Imagine you're walking through a busy city. Cars are zooming past, horns are blaring, motorcycles are weaving through traffic, and people are crossing the street wherever they can. But then, you reach a red traffic light, and like magic, everything stops. When it turns green, the flow resumes. Orderly and predictable. Traffic lights are one of the most important inventions in modern road management. They read practically everywhere in the world for a reason. They organize the movement of vehicles and pedestrians, reduce accidents, and prevent total gridlock on our roads. While they might seem like a simple part of the scenery, traffic lights are absolutely critical for safety, order, and efficiency in our urban environments. But here's a fascinating twist. Not all countries rely on them. In some parts of the world, traffic lights are incredibly rare or even non-existent. And yet, traffic still flows, often surprisingly well. One of the most captivating examples of this is the small Himalayan kingdom of Bhutan. In its capital, Thimphu, you'll be hard-pressed to find a single traffic light. Instead, at major intersections, you'll see police officers standing in the middle of the road, directing traffic with their bare hands. At first glance, it might look strange, even a bit chaotic. But there's a real method to this madness. So why would a country choose to skip traffic lights entirely? The answer is a unique mix of culture, geography, and traffic volume. Bhutan's cities are smaller, its streets are narrower, and the volume of traffic is far less than what you'd find in a sprawling metropolis. The roads themselves often wind through steep, mountainous terrain, which naturally slows vehicles down. In this kind of environment, human-managed traffic isn't just sufficient. It can actually be more effective than an automated system. Drivers in Bhutan pay close attention to the officers' gestures, and these officers can adapt instantly to situations that a pre-programmed traffic light could never handle. These police officers are essentially living, breathing traffic signals. They control the flow of cars, buses, motorcycles, and pedestrians, making split-second decisions to keep everyone safe. This system is also deeply connected to Bhutan's national philosophy of simplicity and mindfulness. The country is famous for prioritizing gross national happiness over pure economic growth, valuing a slower, more intentional way of life. Their approach to traffic management is a perfect reflection of this. Instead of depending entirely on technology, they rely on human awareness and cooperation. The road becomes a space where drivers, pedestrians, and officers communicate through gestures, eye contact, and a shared sense of intuition. Now, this doesn't mean we should get rid of traffic lights everywhere. In larger cities around the globe, removing them would almost certainly lead to disaster. Traffic studies consistently show that intersections without proper signals have much higher accident rates. In many ways, traffic lights are the invisible backbone of urban mobility. Still, Bhutan offers a fascinating counterpoint. It's a powerful reminder that technology isn't always the only solution. In Bhutan, human judgment takes the place of automated signals, creating a system that is slower paced, more aware, and surprisingly effective. It teaches us that the context of traffic is everything. A small city with narrow roads and low traffic can function perfectly. This system requires patience, keen observation, and a deep respect for the officer's authority, a stark contrast to the automated obedience. So, the next time you find yourself waiting at a red light in New York, London, or Tokyo, take a moment to appreciate it. That little box with its red, yellow, and green lights is what keeps everything moving safely and efficiently. And remember, somewhere far away, in a kingdom nestled in the Himalayas, traffic flows without them, guided instead by human awareness and skill. It's a beautiful reminder that while technology can be a powerful guide, sometimes the human touch is just as powerful, especially when it's applied in the right environment. Bhutan's approach to traffic isn't just a practical solution, it's a cultural statement. It shows us that traffic, much like life itself, can be managed thoughtfully, slowly, and with a distinctly human touch. For anyone who loves driving, it's a captivating glimpse into a different philosophy, one where drivers, pedestrians, and officers all play an active, conscious role in keeping the streets safe and the traffic flowing. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, do you forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more stories from the world of driving. See you next time.